Welcome to Automatic Cloud Backups.
Keeping your files safe doesn't have to be complicated. In this guide, you'll learn step-by-step how to set up automatic file backups using popular cloud storage apps like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. Whether you're protecting photos, documents, or work projects, you'll be able to secure your data effortlessly and access it anywhere.
Why automate file backups?
Automated backups save time and prevent data loss. Instead of relying on manual copies, automation ensures the latest versions of your files are always protected in the cloud. This is especially useful if your device is lost, damaged, or hacked. By setting up automatic backups, your important files are continuously updated and easily recoverable.
Setting up Google Drive backups.
To automate backups to Google Drive, download and install Google Drive for desktop. Sign in with your Google account, then choose folders on your computer to sync. Files placed in these folders will automatically back up to your Google Drive account, keeping them safe and accessible from any device with Google Drive.
Using Dropbox for automatic backups.
Dropbox makes setup easy. Install the Dropbox app on your computer and sign in. Move or copy any files or folders you want to back up into your Dropbox folder. Files here will sync automatically to your Dropbox cloud account, updating as you make changes and giving you secure backup across devices.
Backing up with OneDrive.
To set up OneDrive, first sign in with your Microsoft account. Use OneDrive settings to choose which folders to back up automatically, commonly documents, pictures, and desktop. OneDrive will continuously sync these folders to the cloud, ensuring your files are always saved and easy to recover if needed.
Tips for reliable cloud backups.
For the best protection, check your cloud storage limits, enable two-factor authentication, and occasionally verify that backups are working correctly. Remember not to keep your only copy of important files in just one service. With these practices, your files will remain safe, organized, and always within reach.